Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun video and a fun new product. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, you're adding another new product. Well, one of the things, our goals for 2020 is to increase our selection of HTV and regular adhesive vinyls in our store. So we have something that is really neat that my husband was super excited for, and most guys don't get super excited over vinyl, but this is something for the car lover in your family. So we're offering the new textured carbon fiber. So it has a texture to it, and it comes in 10 different colors: black, white, which as you can see has a pink sticky part, but the vinyl is actually white. And when you zoom in, you can definitely see the texture to it. And it is a nice thick vinyl. You also have apple green or green apple? Apple green. Royal blue, pink, silver, graphite, athletic gold, orange, and flame red. Now, as we lead our design, which this design, there are actually 2 car SVGs I uploaded to Patreon today. So you get access to these if you are a $10 or more a month patron. These are some that Nadia designed, so they're super cute. So, this actually has the look and feel of actual carbon fiber. And this is made to go on cotton, uncoated polyester, fabric blends, lycra, wool, and linen. This is not made to go on nylon. So the sizes on the sheets are going to be 12 inches by 19 inches. So for $7, just like all our other specialty vinyls. Now this vinyl cannot be layered. And if you are, so that means nothing on top and nothing on bottom. And if you are wanting to put this on a thin shirt, it is recommended to use a Teflon sheet in the middle of it, so that way it doesn't stick, because as you can see, it is thick material and it has a lot, not really a lot, but it has some glue to it. So let's go ahead and finish doing this. Now, it is recommended to cut it with a 45-degree blade. I will recommend that when you do this, do some test cuts, because I had to cut this on a little bit thicker than what I would typically cut glitter on. So I cut it on cardstock, so on my Cricut Baker. So for you, you need to double check and see what's going to work best with your machine. So do a test cut, cut some circles, whatever. Now it says to heat this at 325 degrees, medium even pressure for 15 seconds. We're gonna wait till it's cool to peel, and then gentle cycle cold water and tumble dry on low heat. So now we're gonna take and fold this in half just like we normally do. And again, this is super duper sticky. Our Easy Weed and Wooden Pick, which I just used, is available on our website, as well as our t-shirt guide, which I have a 16 by 20 inch press, so I am using a 16-inch t-shirt guide, and Teflon sheet, like always. There we go. And then this is just an athletic Heather Bella and Canvas t-shirt. Okay. Which actually, if you look at it, they all have a slight pink tint to it. See? So, it's not just the white. So we're gonna go ahead and heat this on here. And I'll go ahead and mention while we are heating this on, that this week's weekly wow sale is on our heat and light sensitive HTVs. I'm gonna have to use that one more time. That was only set for 4 seconds. So it's what I have on my shirt. So as you can see where it's white, that's because it's gotten hot. So see how I'm held that towards the heat? How that changes to white. And where it's still cold, It's the black color. There are 4 colors in the heat sensitive and 3 colors in the light sensitive. They're 12 by 19 inch sheets. They are typically $7 each. They're on sale for $5.95. Look how cool that looks. And you can really see the texture in it. So we're gonna go ahead and cover again with our Teflon sheet. I always like to repress things, my habit. And you don't have to, as you can see, you didn't have to wait for it to be extremely cold, just cool. But there we go. Uncover. Look how good that looks. Zoom in so you can see. So, remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when I post new videos, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I guess that's it, so we shall see y'all on Friday. Bye. Oh, see, hot.